Somebody say
we make the streams louder.
He just woke up.
I just took a nap in the BMW. No, so today, guys, is 2 days. So there's less than 2 days remaining for your chance to get yourself entered into the Take It to the Track pack, which includes my 7.3 Power Stroke, this car, a trailer, and $3,000 cash. So if you didn't catch the live stream 2 nights ago, you would have seen us install some nice BC Racing DS, or their new DR series of coilovers. So this is the digressive piston. It is a little bit more of an upgrade over the regular like BR series. So anyhow, in that live stream, it was like 2 hours long. Took us just a little bit longer than we thought it was going to be. It was going to be about 2 hours, and then we basically got stuck on this one stupid bolt, which turns out we didn't even really need to take out anyhow. But so in the live stream, we were going to install these. These are kind of like a camber slash tow rod in the back here. The front, you really don't have to do much. We have adjustability on the top as far as camber goes, so we should be able to dial that out and then just do a quick little toe alignment on it. But in the rear, if you look at it kind of close, like down low, you can see that it's basically towed in and kind of cambered in. And so what we should be able to do with that arm is go ahead and take some of that out and get the alignment, you know, a little bit more, you know, street track friendly versus kind of cambered and towed in. So yeah, so obviously the car is lowered on the BC Racing coilovers. It has the Koenig 17-inch wheels. These are the Renform flow formed wheels. And I mean, that's a pretty good looking front right there. Right here we have you can see on the top, we got the adjustable BCs, so you could adjust camber in and out. Nice clean engine bay, other than where I sanded it for doing the wet sanding. But yeah, so that's gonna be tonight's project, and we are also going to be doing something on the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull this forward, pull the drift car out, and then pull the truck in, and we're gonna get some things done on that as well. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start off with the truck first, and basically what we're going to be doing. If you guys don't remember the last video, or one of the last videos we did, we installed this, this is a seat shop factory replacement cover for the front of Big Dirty, since he had some basically a crack right there. And then after looking at this one, I wasn't really happy with the color match, just because this one was a lot older, and then we did that trick, and honestly it's pretty close, really close. But the other thing is that I haven't really been paying attention to Big Dirty for the past couple of months, and you can see there's that little tear right there, and so we just went ahead and decided to get another one. So Seat Shop went ahead and overnighted some stuff from Texas, which I really appreciate, and that is a factory replacement front one, and they make all these things in-house in Texas, which is really rad. And so hopefully, if you guys seen that last video, hopefully you guys got in on their Cyber Monday deal, but we were going to be working out like a discount code or something like that, but which I don't have right now. But if you guys are interested, and you know, the Cyber Monday stuff is already passed, be sure to just give them a call and say, hey, Motion Auto sent me, and they'll be sure to hook you up with some stuff. So anyhow, we're going to go ahead and pull out this front seat again, and yeah, yank off this top one. I've never done a top cover before, but they do have a lot of instructional videos, and I'm going to go ahead and reference one of those real quick, just so we kind of make sure to do this as fast and efficient as possible. All right, so I didn't even Google any of the instructions. I just kind of started working on it, and it seems like it's a lot simpler than I initially thought. I thought we'd have to take the back off, so I started taking this stuff off, which you don't have to do. But it's very similar to the bottom, so it just has 3 hog rings right here, 3 more right there, which I already cut. So now pull back off and then kind of, you know, unravel the other one going down as you hog ring it. So super simple. Oh, and it also has some Velcro going down the side.
Oh, there you go, done. Yeah.
Alright guys, so there you go. Seat is all installed. It'll probably be a little happier in like a day or so once you know, all the crumples from actually being stuffed in the box. But yeah, I mean overall everything feels pretty nice, tight, secure. The bottom has feels really nice too. I mean this it's I guess a different density of foam, the Duro foam that they sent me, and so it feels really nice. Just when you sit in here, it's just a lot softer, a little bit more comfy, and yeah, so I'm really stoked, you know, actually having the full seat replacement. This thing is going to look nice for one of you guys. So I guess that's going to be it for the truck for tonight. I don't think we have anything else to do to it. Dave went ahead and pulled off the wheels, got this thing jacked up in the air. See, we got those BC Racing DS coilovers installed on it from last night. You adjust the height basically right there on the rear, and then on the front you can see how pretty they look up there. Adjustable, or not the adjustable, the shorter little ends right there. Yeah, that's definitely nice to have on here. So yeah, these are the arms that we are going to be replacing. Those guys right there, so that shouldn't take us too long. And yeah, throw a quick little alignment on it and we should be alright. Alright, so I lied when I said it was gonna be easy and not take too long. So a lot of people commented the other day and said that we had to remove the diff or pull the diff back or do something to actually get this bolt out because it's not long enough. So what we ended up doing on this side was just disconnecting the axle, moving it out of the way and pulling the bolt out. So you can see we have this adjustable arm right here, and it kind of seems like it does like camber and tow kind of at the same time. It does some weird stuff, but also right here, this is slotted for this rear arm, and so basically what you do is you move that in and out, and that'll change the toe as well. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and well, we're doing this side right here. We already got it out. What we ended up having to do was disconnect the diff in the back right here, and then went ahead and loosened these bolts right here, and basically used a pry bar, prying against that, and pushed it forward enough to get the bolt to come out right there. Another quick little trick before you ever throw any like adjustable arms on is kind of line it up as best as you can with the stock one, just so you're kind of in the zone, so you don't have to adjust it like crazy, because this thing was all the way in, so that wouldn't have been fun. Alright, there we go. Got the adjustable suspension arms on. Next to the nice pretty coilovers. So yeah, well basically Dave told me, he's like, oh, we should probably just take this thing and actually throw it on an alignment rack and let them do it, and then it'll be perfect. So yeah, we'll probably go ahead and do that. So we'll go ahead and lower it down, and it should be good to go. I did want to, did kind of want to get Big Dirty aligned too, just because he's got new tires and I haven't done it in like 4 or 5 years. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and lower it down and see how it looks now. I mean, it ain't gonna look that much different, but. Another quick thing before we go, you can see this shift boot right here is all tan and gross, has some holes in here. So got this shift boot right here, which kind of has the M colors to it. Really simple, just click that guy on. If I can get it through the hole, we'll be in business. Hold on. yeah, there that is installed. See, it actually has like the M color stitching on it now, and it's not all gross like that one. So in the live stream, we installed these WeatherTech floor mats right here, and my buddy Nick, he owns a local truck accessory shop in Pueblo, Colorado, and he does, you know, truck accessories, truck campers, you know, running boards, tons and tons of stuff for trucks, pretty much anything like aftermarket accessory wise, other than like crazy lift kits and stuff like that, but they do a lot of leveling kits there. Yeah, he had a set of these laying around, so he donated those to the BMW cause, and then he also purchased this little shift knob. He's kind of you know, meticulous on things, and this was bugging him, so he just went ahead and ordered that for me, or for you or whoever. But yeah, really appreciate that. Yeah, really like this Sparco seat in there. It feels nice. I mean, other than the passenger seat, a lot of people were saying that we should do that, but I mean, the driver's the one that we care about. So that, I mean, I guess that's pretty much it. We got BMW lowered on some coilovers. All it's lacking is an alignment. But I mean, overall, I think that's a decent ride height. That's pretty low, but not super crazy either. But yeah, again, guys, when you guys are watching this, there is less than 2 days for your chance to get any entries in. So again, MotionAutoTv.com. Every $5 you spend on merchandise is an automatic entry. I really do appreciate, you know, every single one of you guys, like basically like entering into this giveaway and doing all that stuff. It really just kind of supports the channel. You know, I was joking around last night on a live stream on Instagram. I was like, you know what, I need to buy a Lamborghini, and so hopefully this thing goes well. And I'm not talking about like a real Lamborghini. I was joking around about like a fake Lamborghini, like the Pontiac Fieros with like the $8,000 like fiberglass body kit. It's funny, as I've actually been looking at some of those. So if any of you guys know of like a fake Lamborghini body kit or a Fiero, or I was kind of looking on Craigslist in LA. I think a project like that would be a lot of fun. Actually make it fast, you know, in like an old Fiero chassis, and it looks like a Lamborghini, but it's not. I think that'd be fun. Yeah, again, guys, I really appreciate it, and I guess that's gonna be it for this video. We're gonna get an alignment on these guys within the next like day or 2 or 3 or something like that. Basically, before the winner picks it up, and whenever the winner is decided, we should know around December 6th. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, we will be asking the winner if they would like the welded diff in the BMW or not, and then at that time we'll go ahead and pull it out or just leave it in. So I guess we'll go ahead and finish this up here, guys. See you guys later. MotionAutoTv, and this is our Take It to the Track Pack giveaway.